Statement 45. Always continue to learn. Keep your mind sharp. Keep yourself open to new opportunities and possibilities. You may leave the traditional schooling systems of society, but learning never ceases. If you aren't learning new things, you are doing yourself a disservice. The wealthiest people in the world are constantly reading, constantly researching, constantly growing their knowledge so they can continue to create abundance in new and exciting ways. Your peers might not understand that education is key to success. Your partner may not get why you're always looking for new ways to develop skills. But your life and success are not in their hands. You have a responsibility to yourself to stay prepared for new opportunities by keeping your skills honed and having the right information to come up with creative solutions. Keep learning. Keep growing. You'll thank yourself later.